Hey there and welcome. Today we're doing an exact word-for-word walkthrough of how to permanently eliminate those repetitive manual tasks that are, quite frankly, holding your business back. Let's just dive right in.
This explainer is broken down into 5 structured sections. First, what is workflow automation? Second, choosing your automation platform. Third, 4 real-world automation examples. Fourth, the hidden DIY trap. And finally, the specialist solution. We are going to shift automation from a tech luxury to an absolute operational necessity for your business.
All right, Section 1. What is workflow automation? Stopping the manual grind.
Before we even touch on the software, we really need to confront a painful reality about wasted hours. I want you to ask yourself this exact question. How many hours did you spend last week on tasks that didn't require your brain? Seriously, think about your last 5 days of work. It's an uncomfortable truth to face, isn't it?
I'm talking about things like copying a lead from a form into a spreadsheet, or forwarding an email to the right person, updating a status in one tool that you then have to manually update in 3 others, sending the exact same manual follow-up message to every new customer one by one. Look, these aren't strategic decisions, right? They're not creative work, and they are certainly not the reason you started your business. They're just repetitive, mechanical tasks consuming the hours you should be spending on growth and sales. Workflow automation eliminates them permanently. You set it up once and let the tools you already pay for talk to each other automatically. Oh, and by the way, if you want to dive deeper into this whole concept, I've linked my complete written guide on these frameworks in the description below.
So, the crucial point here is understanding the core definition. Workflow automation means using software to move information and trigger actions across different platforms without any human involvement after the initial setup. Moving information, that is the fundamental principle here.
And this brilliantly illustrates what that looks like in practice. On the left, let's say a visitor fills out a contact form. Without automation, someone has to manually copy the lead, create a task, send a welcome email, and log it in a sheet. That's 4 manual steps. If you get 20 leads a day, that is 80 manual actions. Every day, every week, literally forever. Now, consider the automated version on the right. You set it up once, the lead flows instantly to the database, a task is created, a personalized email goes out in seconds, and the sheet updates itself. 0 manual effort from the previous day. Seriously, every time information moves manually, there's an automation opportunity hiding in plain sight.
Okay, moving on to Section 2. Choosing your automation platform. The 3-factor decision matrix.
You know, the reason you haven't automated yet probably isn't because you don't see the value. It's usually because you just don't know which tool to use. Choosing a tool actually depends on 3 factors working together: your technical comfort level, data complexity, and budget. Let's evaluate your technical comfort right now with this checklist. Do you understand basic logic like if-then statements? Have you mapped data fields before? Do you have dedicated IT or developer support? Get all 3 right and you pick the correct tool. Focus on only one, and trust me, you'll end up rebuilding the whole shebang 6 months later.
Based on those exact factors, you generally have 4 platform types. First up, for those who want automation that just works without code, a beginner-friendly, no-code platform connects tools through simple triggers and actions. The trade-off? Well, cost at higher volumes. Second, for more complex logic, data transformations, or branching workflows and routing, a visually powerful platform gives you deep control. But the trade-off here is a steeper learning curve. Third, for strict data security or compliance, an open-source, self-hosted platform gives you total control of where data lives, but it absolutely requires a technical team to manage. Finally, when no native connections exist, custom API development builds the exact connection you need, though obviously that requires high development effort. The complete comparison of all 4 options, with specific scenarios for each, is in that full written guide linked in the description.
Let's hit Section 3. 4 real-world automation examples, ready to implement today. Example 1. Lead capture and instant follow-up. Speed to lead insight is absolutely critical. Every second between a lead submitting a form and receiving a response is a second their attention just drifts away. Automation closes that gap completely. The moment they fill out a form, their details go straight into your database, a task instantly appears for sales, and a personalized email lands right in their inbox within seconds. The leads that convert at the highest rates are always the ones who hear from you fastest. Automation basically makes fastest the default for every single lead.
Example 2, e-commerce order management. Now, every time an order comes in on your online store, automation instantly syncs it to a reporting spreadsheet, triggers post-purchase sequences, updates your inventory, alerts your team for high-value orders, and routes details directly to fulfillment.
What used to require someone manually checking multiple dashboards over and over now happens the exact moment a customer clicks purchase. It's a real game changer.
Example 3. Internal team coordination. When a new client is signed, a project task is created automatically with the right assignee, the deadline, and all the relevant information attached. The client's details seamlessly sync right into your database, your team gets a notification, and the onboarding email goes out. The right people know exactly what to do without anyone manually coordinating it.
And example 4, AI-powered lead qualification. The most forward-looking automation right now combines traditional workflow tools with AI agents and voice AI. When a lead submits a form, an AI agent can assess the information, ask qualifying questions, score the lead, route high-quality leads directly to sales, and send the lower priority ones to a nurturing sequence. Your sales team literally spends their time only on leads that are already warm.
All right, Section 4. The hidden DIY trap. Invisible complexities.
So these tools look deceptively simple from the outside, but let's pull back the curtain a bit. You start building, and suddenly you discover the real complexity. Data mapping between different apps is rarely straightforward. Getting data into exactly the right field without corrupting it requires understanding how both systems work. Then there's invisible error handling, something most DIY automations ignore completely until something breaks at 2 in the morning and 100 leads just disappear. Poof! Rate limits mean your automation can get blocked if it sends too many API requests too fast. And as your business grows, scalability problems emerge. A workflow built without scalability in mind becomes a massive problem to fix rather than a reliable system you can actually trust. And this is exactly where the specialist value proposition comes in. Instead of spending weeks debugging why your setup keeps failing, you just describe your plain language process, and a specialist translates that into a working, error-free workflow that handles edge cases, errors, and volume right from the very start. And remember, the full guide in the description covers exactly what to look for when hiring an automation specialist and the important questions you need to ask.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 5, the specialist solution. Frictionless implementation.
Look, if anything we've discussed today describes a workflow you've been meaning to automate, I want you to consider this number, 1,100 plus. There is a proven specialist I highly recommend with over 6 years of experience in workflow automation who has successfully fulfilled more than 1,100 plus orders for diverse business clients. We're talking from fitness companies to marketing agencies, businesses that needed reliable automation without hiring a full-time developer. And he covers every major automation platform we discussed, plus those AI-powered agents and voice AI workflows for when you're ready to really take things to the next level.
What makes this genuinely so useful is that there is absolutely no technical specification required on your end. You literally just describe your tasks in plain language and you get working automation in days. Whether you need a single workflow fixed or a complete strategy built from scratch, this proven specialist gets you up and running fast, rather than you spending weeks building and breaking it yourself. The link to his full profile is right down in the description below.
Okay. Here is the one action I really want you to take after watching this explainer. I want you to use this top 3 tasks template. Step 1. Write down 3 repetitive, non-creative tasks your business does every single week. Task 1 might be a trigger to an action with a high time cost. Task 2 could have a high error rate. Task 3 might be a massive bottleneck. Step 2. Start with the most painful one. Fix that one first. Step 3. Expand from there. You definitely don't need to automate everything all at once.
As a reminder, check the description below for 2 things. First, the complete written guide covering everything we talked about today, including the full platform comparison and exactly how to get started. Second, the specialist profile link. If you want a proven specialist with 1,100 plus completed orders and 6 years of experience to just handle the whole setup for you, that link is right there. Also, if this explainer helped you see where automation can finally give you back your best working hours, please go ahead and hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss an explainer on growing and scaling your business smarter. And finally, I want you to drop a comment below answering this exact question. What is the one repetitive task in your business right now that you wish you could automate? Let me know, because I read every single comment and I will personally reply to yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.